Come and sit like this now.
Communique issued by Labour Party Rivers State Chapter on Tuesday, 7th of March, 2023. 1. On the 25th of February 2023, our nation, Nigeria, held its electoral polls for its seventh general election, for its seventh general electoral, presidential, and National Assembly exercise since the advent of our democracy in 1999. 2. It was a remarkable exercise that marked a referendum on various subjects such as leadership, political institutions, our human values as a nation, and particularly the power of the Nigerian people's ideas and ideologies. 3. Our Labour Party and its most coruscating candidate to date, Mr. Peter Obi, put up a robust and most impressive presentation of people power not seen in recent Nigerian history. 4. The Labour Party sincerely thanks her teaming members and apparent supporters drawn from other political parties for the electoral buoyancy extended to our candidates amidst the most vibrant electoral outing of the party ever. The party's gratitude to our members is a sentiment that verbalization cannot aptly capture. 5. While our leaders head to court to resolve the issues that concern the outcome of the polls, we must not lose sight of the opportunity to once again demonstrate the values that define him, define us as a people, and define our noble party. The values of equity, fairness, justice, and balance. In the past few days, the party in the state was hit by a major shock of an unknown person surfacing and claiming to be our gubernatorial candidate, coupled with the news making rounds on social media that our gubernatorial candidate has stepped down and adopted the APC candidate. In order for us not to remain in the dark, the party, in line with the 23 LGA chairmen and all the state ESCOs, has decided to support a credible candidate irrespective of the party affiliation, a candidate who must be young and vibrant and must hail from the senatorial district that haven't produced a governor before in the state. 8. All through the history of this great and outstanding state, the Rivers West District has produced the governor once in person of Sir Dr. Peter Odili. The Rivers East District has produced the governor thrice, while the district of the Rivers Southeast has never had this opportunity, thereby flaunting and negating the values of equity, fairness, justice, and balance. Values that are both fundamental and intrinsic to the Labour Party. 9. As Labour Party members and as obedience adherents to the aforementioned values, we must come out and support a region that has never in the history of the state produced a governor. Voting a riverine candidate in the person of Sir Siminalayi Fubara from the Southeast Senatorial District of the state during the upcoming gubernatorial polls ensure that the Labour Party and our members are defenders and ambassadors of the values that have set her and the obedient movement apart from all other parties. We urge all Labour Party members, supporters, and our obedient team to come out their numbers on Saturday, 11th of March 2023 to vote Sir Siminalayi Fubara from the Southeast Senatorial District of Rivers State for governor, and also to vote all other Labour Party candidates for State House of Assembly in their various constituencies. 12. The Labour Party considers this decision both fundamental and intrinsic to the stability, progress, and growth of Rivers State, and by intractable extension, Nigeria. This decision that should be attained through the ballot in a fair, free, and credible process will maintain and strengthen the fact that Rivers State is a state of peace and justice. The Labour Party therefore urges all obedient and party faithful to come out en masse to vote without fear for a candidate of riverine extraction from the Rivers South-East Zone, in an exercise that will be reflective of freedom, equity, justice, fairness, and balance. Thank you, and God bless you. My name is Dienye Pepple, State Chairman, Labour Party, Rivers State.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.